Hello guys, today we're showing how does coffee stand works. This is the coffee beans. First we have a conveyor belt that it leads to the front machine. It puts the beans inside the conveyor with the front machine, but if don't know what's the front side was called. Second there a flinger that it melts the beans into coffee. Third, there's the front that pours coffee after it was full. There's a hatch that it prevents the coffee from spilling. It pours the cup full. If it does spill, they will fly vertical and back to the conveyor. The bottom is the anti-spill machine. After they get back to the conveyor, a box of coffee beans ready to put the machine all over again.